Welcome. In front of me is an iQOO Neo 7, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, hold your power button, and from the boot options you want to select power off. Just swipe to the side right here. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Once you see this mode, you can let go of the buttons, and then using volume down, select recovery mode and then confirm it using your power button. In here, we will now click on this icon. This is basically clear data, and the first option will be clear cache. And once you get this pop-up, confirm it by selecting the option on the right. This will go through a quick cache wipe, then tell you that it's done, if I remember correctly. I'm going to select the option right here. Yep, so it's done. And now we're going to go back. Now before I do so, make sure you don't click on this option. This is actually a factory reset of the device. So if you don't know what these, if you can't read this, I'm just warning you right away. Anyway, I'm going to go back now by clicking on the arrow. There we go. And next you want to click on this button right here, Reboot, and confirm it by selecting OK. And this will bring us back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.